probate, about the high cost of long-term care. I swear to God, it's getting nuts. I mean, it is getting nuts. Even the regular places are now 550 to $600 a day. 600 bucks a day. You know what 6 times 3 is? 18. You know what that means? It means it's $18,000 a month at a skilled nursing facility. Now, most of them are cheaper than that. Oh, yes. Oh, my, yes. 15,000. Hey, it's a bargain. I think you can still get some assisted living under $10,000 a month. Under $10,000 a month. And you think this is not important stuff, okay? Oh, yeah, let's not do that planning. Oh, God, no. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.